Hikvision has launched its first MinMoe iris recognition terminal, an access control terminal designed to be more accurate, secure, and convenient. Formed in an early stage of life, the complex pattern of each iris is unique and remains remarkably stable over the rest of the life. Even similar faces that cannot be distinguished by human eyes, iris recognition can accurately distinguish them. The details of the iris are so rich and complex, it is virtually impossible to be copied. Our iris recognition supports color imaging and video anti-counterfeiting. With just a glance, you can quickly verify your identification, even within 1 second, without removing your goggles, glasses, hard hat, or other PPE. With Hikvision's MinMoe iris recognition terminal, access control has entered a new era. 8-inch LCD touchscreen, 5-megapixel HD camera for iris recognition, dual 2-megapixel HD camera for face recognition, and built-in M1 card reading module. Iris recognition duration less than 1 second. Multiple recognition methods meeting different needs. Hikvision's iris recognition terminal is bringing a higher level of access safety in places like laboratories, hospitals, factories, banks, and more. Hikvision's MinMoe iris recognition terminal. Secure access at a glance.